look where we are at, everybody. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. We're at the Bass Pro Shop Pyramid here in Memphis, Tennessee. And I have never been here before. We have drove by this place multiple times, but to finally be here is unreal. We got Bo walking up. We got the camper. This is just the second stop of the trip. We are headed to 3 Mississippi's house right after this. But, you know, it's been a dream to come here, so we took a stop on our way to Florida. Stop by Bass Pro. Maybe we could buy some saltwater combos, get everything we need for saltwater fishing down at the beach. So let's go in here, take a look at this place, and see if the hype's real.
I see the friends.
Oh, look at the elevator. Yeah.
Holy crap.
There is no way I'm going up that.
We are going up that.
I'm gonna pass out.
It's gonna happen. Boy's daddy is going on it. And Bobo's gonna go on it too.
Gators floating in the water.
Is everything like you said?
So we're about to go in the Ducks Unlimited Center here in Memphis. In the pyramid right here. No, this part is the Ducks Unlimited. Kind of like museum like. Look at all the cool paintings.
Those. What are these, bro?
It's like old school decoys.
Yeah. Oh, what?
Like a couple times.
What are these barrels, though?
You read them. Mounds, got some snuggies, some drakes, widgeons. Got a pintail. That's a cool paint there. Got some like trophies. Ed McAndrews. This is awesome, guys. This is so sick. But that'd be sick, dude. To have this thing. Got some more calls. This is a sick fireplace. Look, you got some boomsticks. With these.
That's a long shot. That's right.
Look at all his hats. Look at this.
This was glass thicker than
That's sick. There's like little snakes in there too. Yeah, a lot of ammo, don't they, Parker?
yeah.
Got some mojos. This place is sick. My hair looks great about it, but this place is awesome. I wanted to come here for so long.
How long of a drive was it here?
5 hours?
Okay.
5.5 hours to come here.
Alright, let's go back home.
Beretta.
Awesome. Holy smokes, dude.
Striper galore over here. There you go,
That's
sturgeon.
even bigger one right
Yeah.
there.
There you go, sturgeon. Look at all the stripes. Got the wood duck galore over here. And whatever them blue-billed son of a guns are, I don't know what they are. Look at
Look at that bluegill.